Hey everybody, welcome back to Enjoy Spoonful. My name is Evald, and this week we're going back to Italy, even though I had the recipe done just a couple weeks ago, but again. We're making carbonara, which has just, 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, or maybe 5, if you count. So let's get into it. This recipe particularly comes from Rome, as also cacio pepe, which if you want I can try to do maybe in one of the other videos. So when it comes to ingredients of this recipe, there's only a few of them. There is guanciale, or lard / bacon. Guanciale is a cured meat from Italy, which usually uses cheek of the pork, which is not easy to find if you're not living in Italy, so what you can do is just go for a really good lard. It does the same job because it has a lot of fat as well. Next thing, you need eggs. The fresher the better. After the eggs, you also need, of course, spaghetti, which is the correct pasta to use, black pepper, freshly cracked, and also Parmigiano. So what you do, you start boiling your water in the pot first, then chop up your lard or guanciale into batonnets, and put them on a stove, in a pan on medium to high heat. No, low to medium heat, because you want to render the fat out of the meat so it just becomes nice liquidy fat. In the meanwhile, while that's cooking, you can crack on your eggs. So I went for 3 eggs for 2 persons. So 2 egg yolks and 1 full egg. Usually, I think in traditional recipe you should use only egg yolks, but one of the Italians I lived with a few years ago showed me that you can also use a full egg, which also kind of makes it a bit cheaper. So yeah, so 1 full egg and 2 egg yolks. Beat them up, add your cracked pepper and your Parmigiano. And how you know if it's not Parmigiano? Well, if you smell it and it smells like Parmigiano enough, strongly enough, then it's enough Parmesan in the eggs. So the most important about this part of the recipe is not to scramble the eggs when you add pasta. So when the pasta is done and the bacon is done, so the lard or the bacon or guanciale, you just put it with the eggs, mix it well, then you drain your pasta. But you don't put it straight away there, because you're gonna get a scrambled eggs with pasta, which no one wants it, to be honest. Unless you're into that, but that's your thing then. Toss them in a colander a bit, so like they cool down a bit more. Don't forget to save some pasta water to make it a bit more saucy, the sauce. After like a minute or so, a bit less, you can drop them in the eggs and add your pasta water to it and start mixing it. You'll see that it's becoming creamy, even without adding any cream to it. Because some people, like apparently in Sweden, they like to put some cream there. And so after mixing the pasta and eggs, what you do is just put it on a plate, put some more Parmigiano of it, because there's not enough Parmesan, crack a bit more black pepper, and Bob's your uncle. And so guys, that's how it's easy to make a carbonara. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, share with your friends if you want them to make it for you, and if you want to see more recipes in the future, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.